Good morning and Tashidelek, and welcome to the second session. Okay. Now, before I start the second session, okay, let us try to recapitulate what we have done so far. Okay. Yes. So up till now, we have done the words. I told you we have started from the grassroots, from the, what should I say, just the foundation, from the basic. So we have done the words because as far as the letters are concerned, you all have, since we are starting this class from class 5, you all have already done this, okay, letters, sound, all these things. And then we have introduced the words. When I say words, here I'm talking about the different parts of speech. So in the part of speech, we have covered all the 8 parts of speech, okay? And most of these parts of speech are words, and we may also have phrases like this. So basically, we have covered the words, and after the words, we have done the phrases. We have also done the clauses. So the phrases and clauses, you know, they are a group of words, okay? The phrase does not have the subject and verb, and clause has the subject and verb, okay? And then we have done the sentences. Okay, yes, there are different types of sentences. We have already done sentences based on the function and sentences based on the structure. Okay, so if you see like this, okay, you see there is a progression. Okay, yes, word, phrases, and then we have the clauses, and then we have sentences. And now, what do you call when there is a group of sentences? A group of sentences, yes, we call it paragraph. Okay, yes. What is a paragraph? So paragraph is a group of sentences. So today we are in this stage, and in the next stage, Gela is going to do the essay, okay, which is the highest form of writing. Okay, so words, phrases, clauses, sentences, and paragraph. So paragraph is very important. So it's very important for us to know how to write a proper paragraph, because paragraph is the main foundation of an essay, article, composition, any kind of writing. It starts from paragraph. So we say that if your paragraph is good, if you know how to write a good paragraph, then automatically your essay will be good, because what is essay after all? Essay is a group of paragraphs. Okay, so everything depends upon the paragraph. And as far as the sentences are concerned, you are already introduced to the different types of sentences, the long one, short one, the longer one, like this. Okay, now if we combine all these sentences, then we have the paragraph. Now when I say paragraph, as I have already mentioned yesterday, whether you are talking about Tibetan language or a Hindi or a Chinese, paragraph is after all paragraph. So there are some components of a paragraph, and these components can be applied to all the language, no matter in which language you write that paragraph. You got it? Okay, yes. So we are going to start writing the paragraph, and I will introduce you to some of the components of a paragraph in this session. Okay, yes. Okay, now in the previous session, Tenzin has also done. Okay, yes, the pre-writing stage. Okay, so before you write anything, we have the first stage that is called pre-writing, where you try to jot down all the ideas. Okay, before writing anything, you just try to jot down. So, as I've already mentioned in my previous session, that there are so many strategies methods, okay, that you can use in the pre-writing stage. And Gitanjula is also used, okay, brainstorming, where you just try to gather all the ideas that is in your brain about that topic. Okay, I've also given you some examples the previous day. Okay, yes. So if you look at that the slide that I'm going to, which is present, this is one, which is the strategy that I've used. Okay, yes. So if you look at this, yeah. Now you can also use some of these strategies when you present. Okay, not just, it doesn't mean that you have to focus this only when you write something. Okay, even if you are presenting something, you can use different kind of, what should I say, that, what should I say, these strategies. Okay, now verb or clustering or anything. Okay, yes. Now this. Now today my topic is paragraph. Now, if I have to talk on paragraph, now this is which is the web, which will help me to give my presentation. Okay, yes. So if you look at this, the central main idea that I'm going to talk today is on paragraph. Okay, yes. So let us see. We have these questions. Okay, 5W questions. Okay, the first one is what? Okay, yes. So what means, what is a paragraph? Okay, yes. Now, what is a paragraph? This is the question that I'm asking you. What is a paragraph? Yes. Basically, I've already told you paragraph is nothing but a group of sentence. Okay. Now, the second question is, which is, does all the group of sentence become a paragraph? And then there will be another, which is a thing that you have to keep in mind. No, okay, yes, a group of which is sentences may not always be a good paragraph. So it needs more, which is say, meaning it. So a paragraph, what is a paragraph? So paragraph is a group of sentences. Okay, not just sentence. Okay, yes. Which has only one topic sentence. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Yes. So this is just a brief definition of what paragraph is. So paragraph is a group of sentences which has only one topic sentence. So what is topic sentence? We are going to do this which in a very short time. Okay, so paragraph is a group of sentences which has only one topic sentence. Each paragraph should have only one topic sentence. A paragraph should not have more than 2-3 paragraph, which is say topic sentence. Okay, so that is the thing that you have to keep in mind. So what is a paragraph? I've already, which is mentioned that. And then if you go to the next one, when and where. Okay, when do we use paragraph? Where do we use? I've already told you paragraph is the main foundation. Okay, if you are writing a composition, if you are writing an article, if you are writing an essay, okay, now you have to make use of the paragraph. This is where we use the paragraph. So where are we using the paragraph? Okay, when should we use the paragraph? So we use the paragraph in all sorts of writing, whether it is a article, whether it is an essay. Okay, yes. So even if you are writing a letter, you see in a long letter, you have got different paragraphs. So here also, you have to use the paragraph, and your paragraph should be good. Okay, yes. And next, why do we write paragraph? Okay, why do we? Why? Why do you think we have to learn how to write a good paragraph? Yes, this is my question. Why? Why do you think we have to learn how to write a paragraph? Even if you are writing Tibetan, in Tibetan we say Tenzin. Okay, yes. So you have to write. Okay, so why should we, learn how to write a good paragraph? Because I've already told you that paragraph is the foundation. Okay, if your paragraph is good, your essay will be good. If your paragraph is all mixed up, then what should I say? There is no way your essay becomes good. Okay, so paragraph is the foundation. Okay, and wherever you go, you need to write something. And when you write something, you need to take the help of the paragraph. So your paragraph should be very good, and you should know the composition of the paragraph. You should also know how to write a good paragraph. Okay, yes. So that's why I put the word why. Okay, why should we write paragraph? What is a paragraph? Where should we use paragraph? Now all these three questions we have already done. Okay, now the question is, how are we going to write a good paragraph? Okay, yes, you said that paragraph is very important. A paragraph is the main basis of your essay or article or any kind of composition. Now the question is how? How are we going to write a good paragraph? So this is what we are going to do today. Okay, yes. Okay, the slides. Okay, yes. So paragraph, these are the component of a good paragraph. So paragraph, I told you, it's a sentence with only one topic sentence. Okay, so these are the components of a paragraph. If you want to write a good paragraph, now these are the things that you should have in a small paragraph. I told you, paragraph, there isn't any limit in the number of sentences. If you are in class 5, the basic paragraph consists of 8 lines. Okay, 8, 9 lines. I told you one sentence on the topic, one sentence on the concluding sentence, and supporting main body 2, 2. Okay, that means 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, 8 to 9 sentence. It's a good paragraph. Okay, now if you go to a higher class, class 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, then the number of the sentences in a paragraph may increase. Okay, but basically your paragraph, the simple paragraph should have at least 8 to 9 sentences, and it becomes a very good paragraph. Okay, yes. So these component, what is the first component of a paragraph? We should have a topic sentence. Okay, yes. And the second one is supporting details. So supporting detail means this becomes your body. And what is the third one? The third one is concluding sentence. You got it? So the topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. Now these are the components of a paragraph. Okay, yes. Next, okay, yes. So when you start writing a paragraph, whenever you are asked to write something, you have to keep this in the back of your mind. Okay, I have to always follow the writing process. So today we are writing a paragraph, but you should not forget what we had learned yesterday. Okay, we have talked about the writing process. So you should always keep this writing process in mind. Okay, yes. So if you are writing a paragraph, if you are writing an essay, this is what you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let us try to recapitulate the writing process. So there are 5 processes. Okay, yes. What are these 5 processes? First is pre-writing, and then drafting, and then revising, then editing, and finally publishing. Now these are the 5 processes, okay, that you have to use. Okay, you have to use whenever you write a small piece of writing. Okay, yes. So today, paragraph, and you have to keep this thing in mind. Okay, yes. Now let us try to go through these components, these 3 components. The first one is topic sentence, the second one is supporting details, and the third one is concluding sentences. Let us do this one by one. Okay, yes. The first one is topic sentence. Okay, yes. So I want you to read what is on the slide. Okay, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is a sentence on which rest of the sentences in a paragraph revolved around. Okay, yes. So this is a sentence on which the rest of the sentences in a paragraph revolve around. Okay, yes. So that means the central idea. Okay, yes. It tells us what the paragraph is all about. I told you each paragraph has only one topic sentence. If we have got one topic sentence, no matter how many sentences we write, all these sentences revolve around the main idea. So you see the topic sentence play very important role in a paragraph. Okay, yes. Generally, the topic sentence always comes in the beginning. So it's whenever you find a piece of paragraph, it's very easy for us to identify the topic sentence. Why? Because it says that topic sentence normally comes in the beginning. But I'm not saying that topic sentence should always come in the beginning. There are some writers who purposely put the topic sentence sometimes in the middle of the paragraph, or sometimes we used to have the topic sentence in the end also. Okay, yes, when you are in school, when we are in school, sometimes we do riddle. Okay, for example, I am a, what should I say, tall animal, I eat this, blah, 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 and my name is elephant. Okay, so just like this. Okay, this is just an example. I'm not saying that this is a good, which is example of the paragraph where the topic sentence comes in the and. Okay, so this is what you have to keep in mind. Topic sentence is a sentence on which rest of the sentences in a paragraph revolves around. And what does the topic sentence show? The topic sentence shows us what is the main thing the paragraph is talking about. And generally, where does the topic sentence come? Topic sentence generally comes in the beginning. So it's very easy for us to identify what the topic sentence is in one particular paragraph. Okay, yes. And I have also given you one example of a topic sentence. Okay, there are many reasons why I hate monsoon season the most. Okay, so this is a topic sentence, and that is just an example of topic sentence. Okay, did you understand what the topic sentence is? Okay, yes. Now let us move on to the next one. That is the body part, or we can also say supporting details. Okay, yes. Okay, now before that, okay, yes, I want to say something about the topic sentence. So when I say all the topic sentence, all the sentences may not become a topic sentence. Okay, so you should, what should I say, go in detail what makes a good topic sentence and what makes a bad topic sentence. For example, I just want you to look at this which is slide and try to see which is not a good topic sentence and which is a good topic sentence, and you will get some idea, okay, how a good topic sentence should look like. Okay, for example, I came from Tibet. So this is not a good topic sentence. I came from Tibet. Now you just see, okay, there isn't anything you can say. There isn't anything you can give the supporting details. Okay, this is a plain truth. Okay, so this may not be, I'm not saying that that is bad, but this is not a topic sentence that we normally recommend. If students come up with this, we try to change that, trying to produce if there is any adjective I can put in this sentence or not. Okay, yes. My mother is a school teacher. Okay, so this is not a good topic sentence. They need some, we need to put some words so that it becomes a good topic sentence. Now, if you look at the remaining two sentences, now this is what a good topic sentence may look like. Okay, yes. First one is 3 reasons why I like Dharamsala. Okay, yeah, 3 reasons why I like Dharamsala. So this may be some kind of proposition. Okay, now this is the main idea, and you can, in the following sentences, you can talk about, you can give so many supporting details why you like Dharamsala. Okay, so this is a topic sentence should be like this. Okay, or 3 reasons why I like Dharamsala. Okay. And the fourth one is children are more prone to influence. Okay, children are more prone to influence. How? Now you have to support this. Now this is, what should I say, a good topic sentence. Now basically you get some idea. Okay, yes, I'm just here to just give you some kind of spark, and then you just try to do your own research. Okay, the Google is already there. Okay, you have got zillions and zillions of resources in the internet. Okay, yes, so I'm here just to give you spark. So you just try to see what makes a good sentences. I mean, topic sentence. Okay, you just go through all the paragraphs that you have already written and try to see what are the topic sentences you have chosen, okay, whether these are good topic sentence or bad topic sentence. This is just a assignment for you. Okay, yes. Now let's, okay, now supporting detail means the body, main body. Okay, oh, yes. So in the supporting detail, what you have to do, you have to provide facts. Okay, yes. For example, I hate the monsoon season the most. You have to, which is support. Why you hate this? They should be a good. You cannot say I hate and then without any reason. Okay, so you have to provide facts. You have to provide also the details. You have to say why, in what way you hate all these things. And you can also provide examples. And there are so many, what should I say, other things that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, these are some of the, what should I say, examples. Okay. You have to provide. Now, these things happen in the body part. Okay. So, I told you a simple paragraph consists of at least 8 to 9, which is sentence. If you write a paragraph, 8 to 9 sentences, and you follow all the component, that is a good paragraph. Okay, so the topic, a topic sentence, one sentence, concluding sentence, one sentence, and in the body part, now you just try to write all these things. Now, this is what my personal, which I experience say. Normally, when we look for some reason, we know if we write 4 reasons, then it becomes long. If we write 2 reasons, then it becomes too short. So normally, whenever I tell my student to write a paragraph or an essay like this, I just stick to 3 main, which are reason or point or detail, because it is not much nor less. Okay, it is suitable. So that's why we normally write, what should I say, 3 supporting details. Okay, in one supporting detail, you just write 2 sentences. 2, 2, 2, 6, and then we have the one topic sentence, one concluding, okay, 8. So 8, 9 sentence is a perfect one, okay, if you are a beginner, okay, so this is how you begin. Now, as you go higher, then the number of the sentences in the paragraph may increase, okay, instead of 1 example, you can write 2, 3 examples. Now, this is how the paragraph becomes lengthy, okay, yes. So now this is supporting details, and now the concluding sentence. So, this is the sentence which concludes. So, basically, what does concluding sentence mean in a paragraph? It just summarizes. Okay, sometimes, what should I say, student, they just copy the topic sentence and then make it the concluding sentence. That is okay. Or what is best is you just rephrase the main idea. Okay, you rephrase, you just say the same thing in the concluding sentence, but with some new words like this. Okay, now this is concluding sentence, and sometimes people would conclude the sentence by giving some advice or by hoping. Okay, you can just write one sentence which shows some hope. Now, this concludes the paragraph. Now, this is all about the paragraph. Okay, so paragraph should have all these components: topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentences. Okay, yes. So, yes, paragraph, topic sentence, supporting detail, concluding sentence. Okay, yes. Now, let us, what should I say, do one small example. Okay, yes. So, okay, so, this is monsoon season. Okay, yes. This is monsoon season. So this is not a topic sentence. Okay, yes, this is. Now I'm just trying to use the pre-writing. Okay, I'm just trying to collect all the ideas. So monsoon season, this is just a topic, general topics. Okay, yes. On that general topic, you can make different types of topic sentences. Now this is another one. Okay, so you love monsoon season, or you hate monsoon season, or you, what should I say, appreciate. Okay, appreciate. Yes. What else? Okay, you fear monsoon season. Okay, you embrace monsoon season. So you see, on that general topic, Now these are the topic sentences that you can build on. Okay, yes. You just try to get so many ideas. So this is just a pre-writing. Okay. Now this is just a verb. Try to collect as many ideas as you can. But remember, I have not chosen any topic sentence so far. These are just a topic. Okay, yes. And now, when I've got some idea, okay, now what topic sentence should I make? Okay, should I make I love monsoon season, or I appreciate 3 reasons why I fear monsoon, or 3 reasons why I hate monsoon? Okay, now suppose if I want to choose one topic sentence that I've got few reasons why I hate monsoon season the most, then it becomes a topic sentence. I have chosen this hate. I'm very sorry to choose this, which is negative word in the beginning of the day. Okay, so this is just to give an example. Now here I've chosen this hate so that you can start another simple paragraph by saying, because there are some students who also love monsoon season. Okay, yes. So I should not say monsoon season, we should hate like this. So I'm going to write one topic sentence. You see, so there are so many topic sentences you can write on one topic. So remember, what is the topic sentence I've chosen? Okay, yes. 3 reasons why I hate monsoon. Okay, yes. Monsoon season. Okay, yes. Now suppose this is the topic sentence. This is a good topic sentence. Why? Because this is just a proposition. I want to produce. I have to support this, the 3 reasons. Now you just try to list all the, details or reason why you hate. Okay, yes, they are slimy creature. So, okay, yes, during monsoon season, you see so many slimy creature. You have got moles all over your place. Okay, your clothes become wet. You also get many kind of diseases. Okay, yes, you cannot play outside like a normal day. Now, you just keep on getting all the ideas. So I told you, it's good to have a 3 reasons. So out of all these things, for the time being, I'm going to choose, okay, wet clothes. Okay, yes, wet clothes, because all my clothes get drenched and I cannot wear all the fashionable clothes because I love, flaunting my clothes like this. Okay, so just an example, I'm just kidding. Okay, so wet, and then during the monsoon season, so many new diseases come and I cannot play as a child. Okay, yes, children love playing. Okay, so I cannot. Now I'm going to choose these 3 supporting details. Okay, and now you just start writing the paragraph. Okay, one introduction, one sentence, and then we have got the body. I told you 3 reasons, 1, 2, 3, and then the concluding. So it becomes a very simple paragraph. Okay, just to save time, I've already written that thing. So I want you to go through this. Okay. Okay, yes. So I will do this in the next session. Okay, yes. So this is how we write a simple paragraph. Okay, yes. So I'm not going to take much time. I just want to complete this. Okay, just to give you an idea. Okay, yes. 3 reasons why I hate monsoon season. Okay, yes, that is the topic sentence. You just use transition. Okay, yes. First, I can't go out to play. I'm just writing the simple sentence. You can write many things. Okay. Secondly, so many diseases come and make me sick. Last but not the least, it makes all my beautiful clothes wet. Because of all these, I hate monsoon season the most. So I told you in the conclusion, you can also make a hope or pray. I wish this monsoon season go very fast. Okay, yes. So this is just a simple a paragraph. You should have one topic sentence. I hate. Okay, you have to put support why you hate this. Okay, and then you have this translation. Why do I use translation? I use this translation to make the readers understand what my 3 points are. Okay, the first of all, secondly, last but not the least, now there are so many, transition words. Okay, however, after that, also, therefore, now this, if you use this in your paragraphs, then it's very easy for the readers to understand what are the reasons. So because of all this, I hate. So basically, I've just, used the same topic sentence as a conclusion. Now, this is how you use write a paragraph. Okay, I told you. So on the basis of that thing, you keep the same structure there and try to change. Okay, yes. I hate, instead of I hate, I told you to write, I love the monsoon season the most. First of all, I can't go out. Now, this is my 1 point. Okay, you just say why you love, okay, and all these things. And then you just write the conclusion. Okay, yes. Now, before I go, okay, I was talking about the process. Okay, I was talking about the writing process. So sometimes we forget what writing process are. So I just want to give you an example. Okay, you just take out some 5 pages. Okay, yes, 5 pages. You just track this, okay, in some orders so that it looks like this. Okay, yes. Okay, like this. So it looks like this. You got it? So I've just used different colors so that you can see the changes. Okay. Now you have to fold this. You just fold this like this. So what do you get? You just get these flips. Okay. Yes. So in the first one, you just write pre-writing. Okay. Pre-writing. And the next one, you just write the drafting. And then you write the revise. And then you write the editing, and then you write the publish. Okay, and you just staple it. Now, if you are starting this, okay, for the lower student, it's better. Even if you have written something, if you give, your paragraph like this to your Gela can easily understand, okay, now he or she has followed the process properly, because here you do all the pre-writing, and then you have the drafting, you have the revising, you have the editing, and finally, you have the last one. So it will be very easy. And not only that, it will just give you some idea. Okay, now these are the things that I have to keep in mind. Okay, yes. So I'm going to stop here. We see you in the next session. Thank you all.